Welcome back to DelphStack. Today, I will show you how to install GameLoop on Windows 11 without running into error code 20 and without using a VPN. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working well and there are no restrictions that block websites. Next, we will perform a network reset using the command prompt. This helps fix any network issues that might cause error code 20. Start by clicking on the search box in the taskbar and typing CMD. Right-click on the command prompt result and choose Run as administrator. Confirm if Windows asks for permission. In the command prompt, type the following commands one by one. First, type ipconfig -, release and press Enter. This releases your current IP address. Next, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. This clears any cached DNS data, which can sometimes cause connection issues. Then, type ipconfig renew and press Enter. This will get a new IP address from your network. It might take a moment, so wait until it finishes. After that, type net shint IP reset and press Enter. This resets your TCP/IO IP settings to fix deeper network problems. Finally, type net sh Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the network components that handle internet communication. Now, restart your computer. After the restart, your network settings will be fully refreshed and your connection should be ready for a smooth GameLoop installation. Thanks for watching.